Begin your journey at the Kiswah Factory, where the beautiful cloth that covers the Kaaba is carefully made by skilled craftspeople. The Kaaba holds a special place in the hearts of Muslims everywhere. Its covering, known as the Kiswah, is replaced each year, and watching the process that goes into making it can feel like a window into centuries of devotion. At the factory, you'll relax in a comfortable auditorium to see a 20-minute documentary about the steps involved, from weaving the fabric to embroidering the golden calligraphy. It's inspiring to think of all the care, effort, and love poured into a cloth that unites millions of Muslims worldwide. When the film ends, you'll walk into a display room featuring the Kaaba's old door and older kiswas. For many visitors, seeing these historical treasures up close is a moment of deep emotion. Here, you can record videos or snap photos, capturing not just images but also the feeling of being close to something sacred. You may sense a connection that goes back through centuries of Islamic tradition, a reminder of how faith, hard work, and respect come together in every thread of the Kiswah. After your time at the factory, you will head to Sulah Hudabiya. This site holds a powerful place in Islamic history, as it was here that a peace treaty was signed long ago. That agreement helped end conflict and opened the doors for more people to embrace Islam. Standing in this spot, you can imagine the devotion and trust shared by those who came together for peace. Even though it is a simple stretch of land, its significance runs deep in the hearts of Muslims. You may feel humbled knowing that one treaty helped bring people closer, showing that unity and goodwill can create lasting change. Because Sulah Hudabiya is also recognized as a Miqat point, you can make the intention, niyat, for your second Umrah here, connecting even more deeply with this revered place. During the tour, you'll be offered refreshments, including a packet of cake and a cool drink, to keep your spirits high and your energy up. Whether you are traveling with family, friends, or on your own, this trip offers a special look into the history of our faith and the lasting impact of peace. From the sight of the precious Kiswah being created to standing in the very place where Muslims united in harmony, this journey connects past and present in a way that feels both educational and heartwarming. It's more than just visiting historic sites, it's a chance to reflect on what faith and unity can achieve. This experience will leave you with new insights, a deeper appreciation for the richness of Islamic tradition, and memories you'll treasure for a lifetime.